In this video, you will learn how to install WhatsApp on PC without an emulator and a QR code. If you want to install the official WhatsApp on your PC or laptop, just watch this video till the end. First of all, open Google Chrome or any other browser on your PC. Go to Google and search WhatsApp. Now open whatsapp.com. On the WhatsApp official page here you can see the option, Download. Click on the download and it will take you to the download page. Now simply click on the Download for Windows button. It will open the Microsoft Store from where you can download the official WhatsApp app. Now simply click on the Get button and it will start downloading. After downloading the app, click on Open. Done. This is the official WhatsApp app for Windows. Now you can create an account using your phone number, or if you want to log into your existing account, then just scan the QR code and your account will be logged in. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more. Thanks for watching.